Greetings and welcome back, everyone. Before we dive into this video, let me ask you a question. Are you tired of working long hours for a little pay and want to find other sources of income and make your way to financial freedom? Well, you are in the right place. In today's video, we're going to talk about some innovative ideas and services that you can provide using ChatGPT to earn money. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help you create content quickly and efficiently, and there are many ways you can leverage its capabilities to make money. Right now, the artificial intelligence market is new and wide open. You should use this opportunity before it's too late. With the ideas that I'm going to share with you guys, you can easily earn hundreds of dollars a day without leaving your house, so let's dive into it. Idea number 1, branding agency services. ChatGPT can be used to provide branding agency services, like suggesting a business name, creating a logo, or writing statements. Simply provide ChatGPT some information about the business, and ChatGPT will come up with a list of potential business names based on criteria such as industry, target audience, and tone. You can ask ChatGPT to conceptualize a logo for a certain business company. You can offer these services to small businesses and entrepreneurs looking to establish their brand identity. Idea number 2, building simple apps. To get started building a simple app using ChatGPT, you would need to have some experience with software development and machine learning. There are many resources available online to help you get started, like tutorials, sample code, and open source libraries. One way to build a simple app using ChatGPT is to create a chatbot. Chatbots are computer programs that use natural language processing and machine learning to engage in a conversation with a user. They can be used to provide customer support, answer frequently asked questions, or even facilitate transactions. Idea number 3, writing articles. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas for articles, blog posts, or any other type of writing. Simply provide a brief description of what you are looking for, and ChatGPT can provide a list of suggestions to get you started. ChatGPT can assist you in creating copy for websites, marketing materials, and social media posts. You can offer these services to bloggers, website owners, and businesses looking for high-quality content. Idea number 4, writing ebooks. ChatGPT can be used to write ebooks like storybooks, educational books, and activity books. You can sell these ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Barnes & Noble. If you want to know more about it, I've already made a step-by-step tutorial on how to create and publish an ebook. I'll leave you a link in the description below. Idea number 5, providing services for YouTubers. ChatGPT can be used to provide services for YouTubers, like writing video scripts, creating video descriptions, and generating video ideas. You can offer these services to YouTubers looking to grow their channel and increase their viewership. So there you have it, folks. You can earn money by charging a flat fee for each service, or by offering a package deal that includes multiple services. These are just a few of the many ways you can use ChatGPT to make maybe thousands of dollars a month. Whether you're looking to start a business or just looking for a side hustle, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything in the future. See you in the next one.